It's that tragic day when we lost so many youth in Newtown, Connecticut. And I think everybody can recall back to that day how sickened we felt, how angry we felt at the level of violence that have reached in our country, especially how it impacted so many of our children. It was that day that actually started this whole collaborative that became known as the Violence Prevention Collaborative, and of course now is known as Safe and Sound. The Violence Prevention Collaborative, or Safe and Sound, is a collaboration between agencies and community organizations throughout Hillsborough County that was created to understand and ultimately prevent such violence from happening here in Hillsborough County. The collaboration includes the mayors and police departments of Tampa, Plant City, and Temple Terrace, the Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office, the School Board of Hillsborough County, the 13th Judicial Circuit, the State Attorney's Office, the Public Defender's Office, Hillsborough County Government, the Children's Board of Hillsborough County, and I know Kelly Paris, you're with us here today too, I see you back there. The Health Department, the University of South Florida, and numerous agencies and faith-based organizations that do essential work in our community. It was last year at this time that we released our strategic plan called Safe and Sound. Our plan is based on the understanding that violence can be prevented when all parts of a community, government agencies, community organizations, and civic and faith leaders come together to pursue data-driven, evidence-based strategies that address violence as a public health issue. We have laid the groundwork for the concerted effort we now stand ready to pursue. In the coming year, we will continue to design initiatives that are driven by data and to find innovative ways to listen to our community. This is a long-term effort to change perspectives and cultures to strengthen communities and to reduce violence before it happens. Safe and Sound Hillsborough is not limited to youth violence or any particular geographic area. Our aim is to reduce violence by identifying communities with high-risk factors that make them more susceptible to violence. But due to recent events, there is a real sense of urgency to address issues of youth violence. If we can recall over the last year, the recent incidents of youth violence in our communities have left many of us shocked, saddened, and searching for answers. We have seen neighborhoods in East and West Tampa struck by hard violence. The Hillsborough County Sheriff's Office and the cities of Tampa, Temple Terrace, and Plant City are tracking twice as many homicides this year than in 2014. There is no easy answers when a 14-year-old is gunned down in a local park just as he was looking forward to finishing middle school. There are no simple solutions when gunfire breaks out at an outdoor birthday celebration and another teen's life is cut short.